because we have had a very good sequential process of interrogating nominees. Honorable Induri, what you need to do, this is not a trial court. We are not going to establish whether you attempted to rape or not, whether it has been withdrawn or not, whether you are framed or not. The question was put to you by the Honorable Wandai on the rape charges. You have given us documents of withdrawal. This committee will not inquire into exactly what happened. We have a court document. He asked you if you forged documents to secure 2 loans. You have said you didn't. And you have given us documents. Move on to other questions that were asked of you so that we can make progress.
To the university issue, then we can...
Then you asked about the university, and you are supposed to have uttered a degree from India. You have put only 1 degree from the University of Nairobi. And he alleged that you had running arguments with the same university about the same degree. Yeah, if you can answer that, then we can move on to other questions that the Deputy Speaker asked you, and give other members an opportunity also to...
Speaker, I didn't want to disrupt the proceedings. But
yes.
I want to pick from where you said, let us advise our colleague, Honorable Njuri is our colleague, that we are not in court, Honorable Speaker, where you can produce all those details and volumes. Maybe it's gotten used to that 35 cases and court. This is just a vetting process. Just bullet, and we proceed.
To the extent that they touch on his integrity, he is at liberty and is obliged to furnish us with documentation that you look at. But as to his innocence or otherwise, there's another agency that can deal with that. We can make inferences on these issues at the end, but we have no capacity to say whether he's guilty of this or not.
Mr. Speaker.
Yes, Dawood.
If you allow me to comment, I think we are probably taking the nominee a little too far. If we ask him a question, he replies, let him give us those documents after the sitting, give it to the clerks. But in a matter of 35 cases, Honorable Wanyonyi is talking about, that is neither here, neither there. He just mentioned it.
It is actually the nominee himself who has walked too far.
He has just said that.
Yes.
That is an
and I had told him that to restrict your answers to the questions as they are being asked. And you'll see we'll move very smoothly. So if you finished with Honorable Wandai, talk about the degrees, come to Honorable Sholei, then I give another batch of colleagues to raise